To browse and reserve Book Club To-Go kits at lcplin.myturn.com, log in with your barcode and PIN. Then click Inventory. Words typed in this search box will search keywords within book titles, author names, and descriptions. You may also use the categories on the left to narrow the selections. To read a description of a book, click the cover or the title. When you find a kit you want to reserve, use the calendar to check its availability. Your pickup date must be followed by at least 6 weeks of blank squares. If the kit appears to be available, click your pickup date. Next, select a location. The calendars display the pickup and due date. To start the reservation, click Cart. Scroll to the bottom of the cart and submit reservation. Do not forget this step. The kit is not reserved until you submit the reservation and see this confirmation. If you have an email address in your library card account, you will receive emailed confirmation of the reservation as well. If you add a kit to the cart and see this warning, your reservation overlaps with another borrower's reservation. When you try to submit the reservation, it will fail. Cancel the reservation and begin again. To view your upcoming reservations, click your name in the top right. To make another reservation, return to Inventory. When finished, log out. Thank you for using Lake County Public Library's Book Club To-Go kits. If you have questions about this service, please contact your favorite LCPL location.